Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry I'm looking a little bit I literally just got up, but I wanted to do my lashes and I thought this would be a great time to show you guys my updated lash routine. So let's get started. So in my other video I showed that I use these cluster lashes, which is totally fine, but today I'm going to be using these right here. And as you can see, these are a lot thicker than the other ones. But that's because these are more full and longer, and I wanted more of a dramatic look, so then this is what we're going to be using. I tried these lashes out before and I did find that they are way too thick. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just cut them. Here is the size. These are 14 to 16 millimeters mixed. They start shorter to longer. And what I'm going to do is just cut right between. So I'm basically making one strip too. Okay, so I just went through and cut a bunch of these. If you're using these, you don't have to do this step just because these are already really thin. But now when you grab your tweezers, you can see that these are now two sections. So of course you want a nice clean face. Like I said, I just got out of bed, so I just washed my face with water and soap right now. And I'll make sure that there's like nothing on your lashes, no crust or anything like that. You don't want to glue that in there. Next, I'm just going to grab a lash curler and I'm just going to be curling my lashes. And sorry if it looks like I'm looking to the side a lot. That's just where the screen is, and I needed to see so you know how to poke my eye out. And curling your lashes will help just keep them up while you're like gluing in the lashes. My normal lashes tend to fall down, so this helps me a lot. And just, you know, a basic curl. Next, this is the glue that I've been using for many years. It's Ardell Lash Tile in black, and it's only like $6, and this seriously lasts me like probably a year, maybe less, I'm not sure. So it's really economic. And I always like to get black just because it gives that like extra bold look when it dries. If you use the clear, you'll notice that it kind of looks like there's crust in your eyes, and we don't want that. So here I just poured a tiny little drop. We don't need much, especially because I do one drop, one eye, and then I pour another drop into another eye just because the glue dries. Okay, so now that we have our drop, these are the shorter lashes right on top, and we're just going to be using these. Here is my lash, and I'm just going to be grabbing it with the tweezers like this. And now we're gonna get our glue. So since I put these in the bottom of my lashes, I want the glue to be right on the top, so we're just gonna dip like this. And you don't need a lot of glue, just a drop, something like this. And now I get really close to my eye, and we're gonna put it right in the inside right here. So and make sure you're only putting this on the lashes. Do not get too close to the lash line. And if you're doing it right, it's not going to burn. So if it's burning, maybe you're getting too close to the lash line. But as you can see, it just stays right away. And you know, same process, we're just gonna keep going. I'm gonna be grabbing my lash here, getting some glue. And right next to it, just like this. And these are still the shorter sizes. Now I'm gonna move on to the bigger sizes, which are more in the middle of the tray. So I'm gonna grab some of the ones that I cut in the middle of the tray and just grab some glue, and once again just put it right next to it. So then we should be getting something like this right here. And again, I'm gonna grab one of the medium sizes. So I'm basically creating a doll eye, which I call it, which is short in the inside, long in the middle, and short on the outside. That way it gives me more of an open eye. I used to just do short to long, and that gives like a really nice cat eye. But since my eyes are really small and more almond shape, I want them more open instead of, you know, more long. So that's why I do this. And make sure you're pushing up because you want the lashes to stay up, right? You don't want them to be all like droopy and stuff. So we're gonna put one more long one. So see how we're getting like this eye really lifted and this one's still just droopy. So now I'm gonna add one of the medium sizes. Okay, and then here I have space for one more, and I'm just gonna add one of the short ones. So here we go. And I like to give just another push up just to make sure that it's sticking good. But this is what we're left with. You can see this is more of a dramatic eye, and I really love it. And here's a really big close-up of my eye. As you can see, they're all in there and nice and glued. So to do the right eye, it's basically the same thing. Like I said, I'm gonna do short, medium, long, medium, short, open doll eye. And I'll be right back. So here we go. Here is the finished look. You can see it's a little more dramatic, longer than the other ones I usually wear. This is why I love it more. And as you can see, I only used a few of these clusters. This thing is about, I think, $12 on Amazon, but it lasts me like 3, 4, maybe 5 months, depending how often I do my lashes. The lashes will last 1 to 2 weeks, normal time for regular lashes, so I think that's awesome. It's just a lot more economic. This is $11, this is $6, and the remover I think is also like $6, so very economic and easy and fast to do them yourself. So my sister actually does lashes professionally, and she has done them for me before, but it's just too long for me. I cannot sit there for 2 hours getting my lashes done. Like, that's too much time. This takes me 15 minutes, and I've been doing them myself for about 3 years now, no problems, and it's been great. Just, you know, I'm not a professional, so do this at your own risk. Make sure to be really careful. Don't get that glue in your eyes because it will burn. Also, it's basically the same lash care maintenance. Don't rub your eyes. When you go shower, you know, pat dry. You have spoolies, you know, brush them out here and there. Try not to sleep on them, because if you sleep on them, you're gonna be crushing them. And lastly, make sure that you don't pull at them. This is kind of just common sense. Don't pull on your lashes. But when it is time to remove, this glue here is very gentle, and as long as you put the glue on right, let it sit for the right amount of time, the lashes will come off by themselves. There is no need for pulling or for any pain. So I hope you found this video helpful, and hopefully it helps you guys do your own lashes. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And just thank you so much.